I think that lawyers are social engineers in the sense that our task as a profession is to help the society that we serve achieve its goals and overcome its problems.
I think the skill set of the future lawyer requires them to be critical thinkers. We promote critical thinking and them to reflect on the different cases and then look at what are the perspectives that each rule may have to take into account when dealing with a conflict or situation.
The alumni not only being acting as applying the local law, which is basically local, but also thinking as an entrepreneur so that they are able to protect their interests using common sense and very common practical clauses in the contracts.
We need to help them to build character, to make them hard workers, team players, and dreamers. The lawyers who meet the excellence are the people who don't afraid the challenges, who take risks, but at the same time who are hard workers and they combine ideas.
I believe that the skill sets of a future lawyer are deeply connected with humanities. By humanities, I understand what the greatest minds of the last 2,500 years have thought about the law, about society, about justice.
First thing, a future lawyer must understand the problems, which means making a transversal analysis of reality and only in turn trying to solve that problems through legal devices. They must be able to explain the results, the conclusions. The cross-border dimension has become key, so the ability to make a cross-border analysis is an asset.
One of the most important skills are those related with management. How to motivate people, how to lead teams, how to work with those complicated teams in different generations. I think this is a very challenge for the future of the profession. I try to keep simple classes with a lot of action, with a lot of decision making.
I try to make sure that my students acquire a very strong theoretical background, but on the other hand, I also try to adopt a very hands-on or very practical approach from the very beginning, asking them to read and to solve cases.